What you are seeing right now is a digital library that you can visit right now. And the crazy thing is, this library contains every single book that has ever been written. In fact, every single book that will ever be written. Even a page that contains the exact date, location, and circumstances of her death, written out in full sentence. It sounds crazy if you never heard about it, but this is probably one of the strangest websites I have ever encountered. And to prove that I'm not clickbaiting, I'll copy this entire script till now and show you that on some particular page it already exists, even before I said it. And even though this is so insane, it's probably the most useless and at the same time foolish thing I have ever seen. This is the Library of Babel. Before I show you how to use it, let's understand how impossible it is to actually create something like this. The idea came from the story by George Liu blah blah. In the story, the entire universe is a library made of a hexagonal room. Each room has 6 walls of bookshelves. Each shelf has 32 books. Each book has 4 and 10 pages. To achieve this site is based on all possible combination of 26 letters, including spaces and commas. Sounds simple? No, it's not. Let me tell you how massive this actually is. If you aren't all possible combination of these characters, the total number of possible books is roughly n to the power of 4677000. To put that into perspective, the number of atoms in the observable universe is around 10 to the power of 80. This number is so much larger, it's not even comparable. Even if you tried to write all these books physically, even if each letter was the size of an atom, the universe would be so small to even fit a fraction of it. No storage system in existence can handle this amount of data. So the question is, how did this guy actually build it? It's actually quite smart. Instead of storing all books, he created an algorithm. Each page has a unique address. When you open a page, the algorithm calculates what should be written there. So technically, the books are not stored. They are generated when needed, which is somehow even crazier because all possible books still exist, just not physically stored. If you want to try it yourself, search libraryofbabel.info. There are a few options. Browse lets you manually go through each pages. Good luck finding anything useful. It's mostly gibberish. But the search option is where it gets interesting. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can search anything. For example, why Caesar deserve a million subscribers? I mean, it's common, but still. And boom, it already exists in multiple locations. You can even open that exact page. Go, try it yourself. But here's the problem. Actually, a lot of problem. I call this library useless. And why? Even though it contains everything, which means for every meaningful sentence, there are billions of pages of nonsense. So realistically, you will never find anything useful, even if you spend your entire life searching. But you know what's not useless? Subscribing me. So, bye!